Ask Tom on Home Show.
Bobby from Sienna Plantation has got a question about some concerning cracks.
These cracks right here, Tom.
Ouch, yes.
Bobby writes, they run to the floor 3/4 of the way from the ceiling and then going across the ceiling. Is this cosmetic, or does this look to you like it could be foundation trouble?
Cosmetic, for sure. It looks like you're getting some... it's easy to fix. It needs to be... What's happened, that's a seam that's kind of letting go with the tape is cracking on one side, then the tape cracked on the other side, so it has that little jog. And all it needs to do is be nailed real nice and tight again, so there'll be some nailing, and then another taping and floating, a little texturing. This is like a perfect job for our buddy Rudy Quality Painting because they fix things like that all the time. And the framing probably moved. And why? It could have been the drought. It could have been the freeze. A lot of this stuff happened after the freeze that we had 2 years ago in the Houston area and all of Texas, actually. And then, of course, we had a heck of a drought this summer, too. I'm not sure exactly when you started seeing these cracks, but weather does this. And it looks like it's on the ceiling to the floor, so that's not really a foundation issue. If you showed me a window with a big crack going diagonally and it was opening up like this, I'd say, yeah, it's kind of called due west. But in this case, it's time to call someone like Rudy's and just go ahead. If it's not going to get any worse, everything stays the way it is right now, go ahead and fix it. It's just a vulnerable spot where your framing was. Why it moved, I don't know. I still think it's weather, temperature changes and stuff.
Fair enough. Got a question? Send it in. Click Ask Tom. Send it in. We'll answer it just like that. If it's something simple like that, bang, bing, bang, boom, you're fixed. And maybe we'll even refer you to our Home Show Pros. Whoops. That's not, yeah, right here. Scroll down the homepage right there. Yeah. We changed orders and it kind of threw me off there. And we also list them by category and make it easier for you to find. And we make answers easy to find by posting them at HomeShowRadio.com and our YouTube channel. You'll find hundreds and hundreds of these videos answering all kinds of questions at Home Show Radio YouTube channel. And we appreciate it. If you want to subscribe and click the bell, we'll tell you when new ones come up. And give a thumbs up, and that'll make them easier for everybody to find. And we'd sure appreciate you doing that.